Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma, and in this session of the EKT FCAT we talk about the material science engineering subjects. And here you got 75 questions, MCQ questions based on the material science. Okay, so let's get starting. So here first question of this session is given as, which of the following is mesomorphous material? So correct answer for this question is your mica. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The temperature point at which the changes ending on heating the steel is called, this is called upper critical point. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The ability of the material to absorb energy in the plastic range is called, that is called resilience. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which of the following solid are malleable and ductile? So correct answer of this question is metallic solids. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. When the steel is normalized, it is normalized at the point of the all of these, that is option A, ductility decreases, ultimate tensile strength, yield point of increases. Okay, so all of this is your correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which of the following when used in ordinary low carbon steel makes the metal ductile and good bending qualities? So correct answer for this question is manganese. Manganese is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The hardness of the steel depends on the amount of the carbon it's contains. So option A is your correct answer. Come to the next question. Which of the following is not a basic component of the material science? So cost is not the basic component of the material science. Okay, so option A is correct answer. Now come to the next question. Free cutting steels is used where rapid machining is prime requirement. So option C is your correct answer for free cutting steels. Okay, now come to the next question. The amount of malleable metals is, so the amount of malleable metal is gold. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next. The presence of hydrogen in steel causes, so this is causes the embrittlement. So embrittlement is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The hardness and tensile strength is authentic stainless steel can be increased by, so this is increased by hardening and cold working. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The heat treatment process used for casting, so this is using the heating process, that is called normalizing. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Bronze is an alloy of, so this is alloy of copper and tin. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The material in which the atoms are arranged regularly in some directions but not others, so this is called your option D, that is your mesomorphous material. Okay, now come to the next question. The toughness of the material dash when it is heated. So toughness of material is decreases when it is heated. So option B is your, option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The beryllium bronze has, it has A and B, that is your high yield point and high fatigue limited. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The steel widely used for motor car crankshaft is, that is your chrome steel. Chrome steel is your correct answer. Option B is your right answer. Now come to the next. Molten metal is an alloy of, this is an alloy of nickel and copper. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Strong and ductile materials, so that is your metals. option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Malleable cast iron is produced. So malleable cast iron is produced from white cast iron by annealing process. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which of the following statement are true for annealing of steel? So correct answer is all of these. Means steels are heated to 500 to 700 degree Celsius. Cooling is down slowly and steadily. Internal stresses are released. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next. Quenching is not necessary when hardness is done. So correct answer for this is nitriding. Nitriding is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. The coordination number of face centralized cube space lattice is. So coordination number is 12. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next. Pick out the composite from the list. That is your wood. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Nanoparticles are. So nanoparticles are zero dimension nanomaterials. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The process used for relieved the internal stress previously set up in a metal and for increasing the machinability of the steel is. So correct answer for this question is process annealing. Now come to the next question. The induction hardening dash is high. So inducting hardening having the frequency is high. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. When low carbon steel is heated up to the upper critical temperature. So correct answer for this question is option B. The average gain size is minimum. Okay, now come to the next question. The property of material essential for the spring material is. So correct answer for this question is resilience. Resilience is correct answer. Now thermosetting plastic are those materials which does not become harder with the application of the heat and pressure and no chemical change occurs. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Next question. The material widely used for the making pendulum of clock is. So that material is your nickel steel. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Brass is an alloy of. So brass is alloy of the copper and zinc. Option A is your correct answer. Now which of the following displacement properties is similarly to the that of steels? So correct answer for this question is your both A and B. Okay, that is your black heated cast iron. The next question. A small percentage of boron is added to steel in order to increase the hardenability. So option B is your correct answer. Okay, now come to the next question. The bread of a power so is made of high speed steel. Option B is your correct answer. Now next is which of the following has maximum malleability? So lead is having the maximum malleability. Now come to the next question. The silicon is added in a low carbon steel is. So to make the steel touch and harder. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Smell is a process of smelting is a process of reducing the ore with carbon in the presence of flux. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The type of the space lattice found in the alpha iron is. So option B is your correct. That is your body centered cubic space lattice. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next. Cast iron is manufactured in. That is your cupola. So cupola is your correct answer. Option B is your correct answer. Now next question. When steel casting more than 0.3%, the carbon is cooled slowly below the lower critical point. It consists of. This is consist of the perlite and cementite. So option D is your. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is a point imperfection? So point of imperfection is called the all of these, that is your vacancy, interstitial imperfection and Frankel imperfection. Okay. Now come to the next one. In acidic Bessemer process, the furnace is linked with, this is linked with silica bricks. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Now come to the next. In a unit cell of the body centered cube space lattice, there are dash atoms. So there are 9 atoms. Okay, option B is your correct answer. Shock resistant steel would have shock resisting steel would have touchiness. So option A is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which of the following give the correct order of the increasing hot hardness of the cutting tool material? So option D is correct, that is your high speed steel, diamond and carbide. Okay. So option D is your correct answer. The cast ability of aluminium is increased when dash is added to aluminium. So this is your silicon. So option C is your correct answer. Next is Childe's course cast iron is produced. This is produced by the quick cooling of molten cast iron. So option B is your correct answer. Now next question is, which of the following material has maximum ductility? So correct answer is mild steel have maximum ductility. Option C is your correct answer. Whenever cast iron is produced, this is produced from white cast iron by annealing process. Option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next. Steel containing up to 0.15% carbon is called, this is called dead mild steel. So option A is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Tungsten when added to the steel the critical temperature, then the critical temperature is rises. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The electric process of steel making the especially adapted to, so this is especially adapted to the all of these, that is your magnetic steel, alloy and carbon of steel, high speed tools steel. So correct answer is option D. Now come to the next. Iron ore is usually found in the form, so this is found in the forms of the all of these, that is your sulfide, carbonate and oxide. Okay. Now next question is, cast iron is a brittle material. Okay. Now next question is, manganese is added in low carbon steel too. So this is added in low carbon steel to make ductile and of good bending qualities. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is an amorphous material? So amorphous material is your glass. So option D is your correct answer. Now next is the silicon when added to carbon improves, this is added to copper, it is improves the hardness and strength. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Sulfur is cast iron. Sulfur in cast iron is making the increase hardness and brittleness. Okay. Next question. Cemented carbide tool are not found to be suitable for cutting. So cemented carbide is not suitable for the steel. Okay. Option A is your correct answer. Next is wrought iron is basically used for the all of these, that is your is a ductile material, can be easily forged or welded, cannot stand sudden and excessive shocks. Okay. Next is the nodal cast iron is produced by adding dash to the molten cast iron. So correct answer for this is your magnesium. Magnesium is your correct answer. Next is the temperature in the upper part of the blast furnace zone of reduction is that of the middle part. So this is the less than. Okay, option B is your correct answer. Next is the property of the material which enable it to the retain the deformation permanently is called. This is called the plasticity. Next question is steel contains, so steel contains 50% or more than iron. Option B is your correct answer. Next question, the machinability of the steel is improved by adding. So machinability of the increased by the adding the sulfur, lead and phosphorus. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following process of steel making is in operation of Tata Iron and Steel Works, Jamshedpur? Strict process. So correct answer for this question is the duplex process. Option B is your correct answer. Next, the ratio of the volume occupied by the atom to the total volume of the unit cell is called. This is called the atomic packet factor. Option C is your correct answer. Next is normalizing of the steel is done to the all of this means find the gain structure, remove the stress caused by the cold working and remove dislocated cause in the internal structure due to of hot working. Okay, next question, the measure of the ductility is the percentage of elongation. So elongation is measured by the ductility. Okay, next question is the connecting rod is usually made from. So this is made from the medium carbon steel. Next question, free carbon is the iron make the material. This is make the material is the soft and give the coarse gained crystalline structure. Option D is the correct answer. Which of the following impurity in cast iron makes it hard and brittle? So answer is of this question is option B, sulfur. Now this video is finished here. If you have any queries, so please comment me. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.